Hey guys, this is Surasoni and you are watching ChemStar. So friends, once again welcome back on ChemStar. So friends, in today's session I am going to discuss with you numerical based on solutions. So let's see what is the question. So a solution contains 40 gram of common salt in 320 grams of water. Calculate the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. So friends, question is we have here one solution and that solution contains 40 grams of common salt and 320 grams of water. Alright, so as we know, any solution is made up of two important components. First is one which is in lesser quantity, which is called as solute, and the second which is in higher quantity, which helps solute to dissolve, is called as solvent. So here in this case we have solute as salt and solvent as water. All right, so solute, that means salt, is 20 gram, and solvent, that means water, is 320 grams. So here we have to calculate the concentration of the solution in terms of mass percentage. So basically here we need to calculate the concentration but in terms of mass percentage. All right, so let's see how we can do this question. So friends, first of all, we have given in the question is mass of solute. So let's write first. So we have given mass of solute, and here our solute is salt. All right, and the quantity of solute is, here we have 40 grams. All right, and the second thing which we have given in this question is mass of solvent. So here in this question we have solvent as water, which is 320 grams. All right, so here we have got the given information. So let's see what will be the total mass of this solution. So here we will find out the total mass of solution. So as we know, total mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. All right, so here we will substitute the value and we will get 40 plus 320, which will be equals to 360 grams of solution. So here we have got total mass of solution is 360 gram. All right, so we have to find out the concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution. So basically we have to find out here mass percentage of solution. So let's see how we can find out. So mass percentage of solution is nothing but mass of solute divided by mass of solution into 100. So we will substitute the value here. So here we know mass of solute is 40 gram and mass of solution is, here we have got 360 grams into 100, because we have to find out the mass percentage of solution. All right, so we will calculate this and we will get the answer as 40 by 36. Here this 0 will get cancelled with this 0, and here we will be left with 40 by 36 into 10. All right, so what will happen, we will simply solve this and we will get here 18 and here 5 and here we will get 40 into 5 by 18. All right, so here 9, 20, and then we will get here 20 into 5 by 9. So 25 is 100, so 100 by 9. 100 by 9 is nothing but 1.1. All right, so we will get here 11.1%. so here we have got the answer as 11.1%. that means concentration in terms of mass by mass percentage of solution, or simply we can say mass percentage of solution is 11.1%. so friends, I hope you have found this video useful. So if you know the quantity of solute and solvent, you can simply find out the concentration in terms of mass of percentage mass of mass percentage of solution very quickly. So thank you very much for watching this video till end. Thanks again. Keep watching, keep learning.